Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to disconnect Wi-Fi in Realme. So let us start our video. Firstly scroll up and move to the setting icon. Here you will see click on that. After clicking on the setting icon, here you will see many more options. Scroll up and click on the Wi-Fi. Here you will see click on the Wi-Fi. After clicking on the Wi-Fi, here you will see Wi-Fi which is already off in our mobile phone. So firstly turn on Wi-Fi. After that you will see here our Wi-Fi network is already connected to our mobile phone. After that you have to click on that detail icon. Click on that. After that you will see many more options. Scroll down and click on the remove this network, then remove, and here you will see the result. In that way Wi-Fi is disconnected to your mobile phone. So if you want to disconnect any Wi-Fi network in your mobile phone, so you will adopt that method. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.